This is an example of a career research essay that I wrote. As you listen to me reading it, keep in mind where I am using transition words, the way I elaborate my ideas and I really stretch them out. You'll notice that I included quotes with direct quotes right from the text. So just try to keep in mind these things while I read through it, and then you can go back and revise your own. My future career. There are many careers in life to choose from. When I begin to think about what I want to do after high school, it is a bit overwhelming. As of now, I know that I want to work with people and I like to be around children. Based on these interests, I have conducted research on the following fields: teaching, nursing, and childcare. The first career I researched is an elementary teacher because of my love of working with kids. Elementary teachers teach students basic academic, social, and other formative skills in public or private schools at the elementary level. mynextmove.org. I would be responsible for teaching lessons to the students in the areas of English, math, social studies, and science. In order to become a successful elementary teacher, I need to have people skills, communication skills, problem-solving skills, and be able to multitask. I would also need to know how to use a computer to send emails and use Microsoft. Elementary teachers usually have a personality that is dependable, can handle stress, cares about others, and is flexible. In order to become an elementary teacher, I need to obtain a bachelor's degree. The probability that I will get a job in this field is very likely, and the average salary is $54,120. The second career field I explored is nursing. I chose to look into this field because I enjoy working with and helping people. Nurses administer nursing care to ill, injured, convalescent, or disabled patients from mynextmove.org. They also keep medical records and check vital signs. Nurses have good listening skills, social skills, and problem-solving skills. They should also be good at paying attention to detail and staying focused. Nurses' personalities often have traits such as honesty, concern for others, a high tolerance of stress, and dependability. Education required to become a nurse is an associate's or bachelor's degree. The job outlook is very likely for opportunities in nursing. The average salary as a nurse is $66,640. Lastly, I chose to research the field of child care because of my interest in children. As a child care worker, I would perform a variety of tasks such as dressing, feeding, bathing, and overseeing play from mynextmove.org. Some skills child care workers need are speaking with people, problem solving, organization, and attentiveness. Child care workers often have a personality that reflects self-control, dependability, flexibility, and integrity. Child care workers can either have a high school diploma, GED, or associate's degree. Job opportunities in this field are very likely, and the average salary is $19,730 a year. Throughout my research, I was able to learn specific details of an elementary teacher, nurse, and child care worker. This research helped me look further into these fields and made me realize that my three choices are all jobs that needs more workers in the future. Over the next few years, I will continue to deepen my understanding of these fields and narrow down my choices to help me discover a career I will pursue.